If you're thinking of purchasing a collapsible pasta drying rack, then let me show you just how easy this one is. You pull off the end and then switch it round and then place back into the tube. It doesn't take a lot of effort and slides on easy. Then you pull out the feet at the end. They've got little rubber bungs on the end so that it doesn't slip. And then it's simply a case of just pulling out the arms. As you can see, they just pop out very easy. Now I'm just making my pasta here. I'm making some tagliatelle and it's so easy. You can just simply drape it over the arms. And if you feel that they've got a little bit too close together, then just easily separate them out. This is the one thing I did love, as the pasta just separated nicely and it didn't stick to the arm. It's around 11.5 inches high and 13.4 inches wide when opened, and each arm is around about 7 inches. So that just gives you an idea. But look, this is the pasta. It wasn't sticking, it wasn't cloying, and that is because of this great little drying rack. Then just do everything in reverse to pack away. But this is really good because it's compact, it's easy to store and set up, it's sturdy, and it's minimal cleaning really. I mean, I just hand wash mine because it doesn't get that dirty. But yeah, a fantastic little pasta drying rack, and I have a feeling that I'm going to be using this one for years.